Welcome to The Breakdown, where we're breaking down marketing knowledge for auto repair shop owners like you. I'm about to tell you how spending 3 days doing the right thing at the end of this year can make 2026 the best year your shop has ever had. Welcome to The Breakdown, where we take complex topics and we break them down and make them easy to understand. We go old school on a whiteboard. Today, I want to talk to you about Plan with the Pros. Plan with the Pros is a planning conference that we put on at Shop Marketing Pros that it's all about spending some time dedicated to planning out your marketing for next year so that you go into the year with a full marketing plan. And if you take that plan and put it into action, then this is the conference that's actually going to make you money. Now, Plan with the Pros is located at the historic Thayer Hotel at West Point. We're talking about on campus or on post at the United States Military Academy at West Point. Why West Point? Well, first of all, our son is a cadet at West Point. This is his last year there. So this will also be our last year hosting Plan with the Pros at West Point. So this is your only opportunity to take advantage of this. This is an opportunity to go to the world's top leadership factory. We're talking about a place where when you step onto that post, the history there is amazing. You literally get to walk in the footsteps of George Washington. I mean, it will give you chills when you walk onto that campus. And we're going to do a guided tour where you're really going to see what West Point is all about. You're going to be like the less than 0.1% of people that ever get to see that. But it's also an incredibly inspiring place. It is somewhere where some of the greatest people in the world have been and have graduated from and become presidents and like iconic leaders in the military, like George Patton, for example, or Ulysses S. Grant, the best of the best. So walk in the footsteps of greatness. Now, a loose agenda, and I say a loose agenda because we could move this around some, but on day one, we're going to start with a clarity break where you get to spend some time really focusing on what it is that you want to accomplish. Then we're going to have a tour of West Point, and then we're going to have a group dinner at the Thayer Hotel. Day two, we're going to start with a SWOT analysis on your business. And you might think, well, SWOT analysis, marketing, terms, blah, blah, blah. These are the things that will make the difference in your business and in your marketing next year. We're going to do goal setting, and then we're going to talk about ICP, which is Ideal Client Profile, and we're going to talk about tactics, and we're going to talk about both digital tactics and traditional marketing tactics. Then on day three, we're going to we're actually going to develop some campaigns. We're going to build strategy, and you're going to create the plan. So it's a 3-day event. It's actually spread over 4 days, half a day, 2 full days, another half a day. Now, why will this make you money? Because you're going to leave with a complete 2026 marketing plan. You might need to do some little tweaks and adjustments on it afterwards. You always do, but you're going to leave with a full plan. You're going to know exactly what to do each month of the year, what it is that you're focusing on, the campaigns that you're going to run on, for your shop and everything. Then that plan is going to be tied directly to your goals. So whatever it is that you want to accomplish in your business in 2026, you're going to have a plan, a marketing plan to actually accomplish that. We're going to talk about some AI tools that we're not talking about in other places. We're going to go heavy on how you can use AI in your marketing. And in 2026, you better be using AI in your marketing. If not, you're going to be losing out to your competition. We're also going to be talking about how to get AI. And when I say we're going to be talking about, we're going to be teaching. You're going to leave with an understanding of what it is that you need to do to show up in AI overviews and also to get AI to suggest your shop when people are chatting with AI looking for a suggestion. You're going to know what to track and the things that you need to cut that are not working. So there's only 25 shops are going to be there. There can be up to 2 attendees for each shop, but only 25 shops are going to be in the room. Right now, we are about halfway sold out. I know that this is a time of year where there are a lot of conferences. I understand. And people will be like, it's too much travel. Is it really too much travel when this is the kind of thing that can change the trajectory of your business for 2026? Is it? So I'm inviting you. You can go to planwiththepros.com and register to be there. It's going to be an amazing time, an amazing event. Amazing is not even a good enough word to talk about the venue. The venue is jaw-dropping. You will be in awe while you are there. So Plan with Pros, it is October 27th through 30th. Go to planwiththepros.com.